Most people trying to make money on Amazon KDP are usually stuck in the same trap, publishing overly saturated journals, hoping for sales, and ending up with little or no sales. But the truth is, if you want consistent monthly royalty, you need to go where demand is strong and competition is weak. You need to create books that solve a particular problem. In this video, I am going to be breaking down 3 book ideas that are not only simple to create, but they are also quietly making real revenue for smart self-publishers who have published on these 3 different books. These aren't trading niches, they aren't too flashy, but they are targeted to solving a particular problem. They are undeserved niches with consistent buyer interest. And the best part is, you don't need to be a designer, a writer, or an expert to publish them. What you need is a strategy that works. So ensure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to be breaking it down, why this niche is something you need to try and why it's going to increase your monthly royalty when you publish on them. You are welcome if you're seeing this channel for the first time. My name is Stacy, and on this channel, I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online platforms. So if you love this type of content, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. The first strategy that will work for you as a self-publisher on Amazon KDP is your ability to identify a profitable KDP niche that is high in demand, less competitive, and profitable. Which is why the first book I'll be talking about today is Mindfulness Journal for Kids. Mindfulness Journal for Kids is a very good KDP niche that is targeted to solving a particular problem when it comes to mental health awareness for kids. Mental health awareness is at all-time high in demand because many people want to take care of the mental well-being of their kids. That is why this book is in demand. Schools and parents are using these books also for their kids. Teachers and homeschooling parents are actively searching for ways to help kids self-regulate emotions. So mindfulness journal for kids is an emerging niche that parents actually search for, especially with anxiety-prone children. So this is why this niche is high in demand, and this is why you need to create and publish on this niche. Furthermore, I'm going to be showing you demand for this niche. I'll be showing you total search results to determine how competitive it is. Starting with total search result is giving 1046. It is within 1000, meaning that the competition is very low. There is still opportunity for you to create and publish this book. To determine the keyword search, take a look at the next score. Next score is very high. This is 79, shows that people are searching for this book on Amazon KDP. Yeah, so there's no point creating a book that no one is searching for. So the next score has shown that the keywords people are searching for this mindfulness journal for kids. And when people are searching for something like this on Amazon KDP, there is high chance that they are also ordering for this book, which is why we're going to be determining the demand for this book using bestseller rank of 1 or 2 books published by individuals on the first page of Kindle store to show that this book people are ordering for, that self-publishers are recording sales. Self-publishers who have published on this book are recording sales. So what I normally do is to skip the ones sponsored and check the ones published independently, published by individuals. So this is published by a publication firm, and you can see the bestseller rank is 179,529, meaning that this person is recording sale. This is another one published by publication firm 1,773. Now, when you want to determine demand using bestseller rank, you'll be checking a book with bestseller rank of 300,000 and below to determine that that seller is actually recording sales. So I'll be skipping these ones published by commercial firm and check for the ones independently published. That will actually give you the clear picture. This is the first independently published, giving a bestseller rank of 25,736 in books across all books on KDP. On Amazon KDP is ranking 25,736, which show that this seller is recording sales. And when you check in other categories where this book can be found, is rating 117 in emotional self-help, 505 in children's books on emotion and feelings. So you can see that this seller is actually recording sales. Checking how much this person, and this the price of this book is just $7.99. So checking how much this person is making using bestseller rank of 25,736. 25,736. So with bestseller rank of 25,736, estimated book sales per day is 11 copies, 330 per month. And when you check estimated royalty, which price of the price is $7.99. So for this seller is making $29 per day and $872 per month. You can see that this might not be much for some persons, but if this seller is recording this every month, that means he's having consistent profits, and that is what matters, because there's no point making huge profits this month and next month you're not recording sale. What matters is having consistent profit every month. This is the first independently published book, so I'll be checking the second one. This is another one independently published, giving 89,303. This is an indication that these sellers are recording sales. And in other categories where this book can be found, it is rating 64 in children journal writing, 853 in children's self-esteem and books. So this is a clear indication that these sellers are recording sales. This is another independently published, ranking 58,651 across all books on KDP. Then in other categories is rating 9, ranking 9 in children diary book, ranking 47 in children journal writing, ranking 611 in children's self-esteem. This is a clear indication that these sellers are recording sales. And when you check the reviews on each of these books, you can see that the reviews are much. This is 4.7 out of 5. The reviews, it has up to 253 reviews on this book alone. It is a clear indication that this particular book, this particular niche, this particular keyword is a good one to try. We've determined the demand, the competition, and the keyword search, which shows that it is a good one to try. And it is very simple to create. I'll get back to the interior of one of these books to show you that you can actually do this. All right, the second niche I'll be talking about is weight loss planner for women 2025. This is a book idea you need to try. Yeah, because it is the competition is weak, like there is still opportunity to create this. This is not a coloring book, so it is a planner. You can try it. Weight loss planner for women 2025 is an evergreen book. Yeah, because women who go on weight loss need a planner to be able to keep track of their journey. So they always demand for this book on Amazon KDP. You can see that the total search result is giving 587. It's way below 1000. What this means is that there is still opportunity here. A lot of people have not yet created on this niche. Independently published is giving 18 independently published. There is still opportunity. And when you check the average review is giving 151 and highest is 2917. It shows that people are actually buying and leaving reviews. So it is an indication that this particular title, this particular niche is a good one to try. Checking the keyword search using niche score. The niche score is very high, it's giving 81 as you can see. It is an indication that people are searching for this niche, people are buying it. So when people are searching for something, it shows that they want to buy it, they're in need of it to solve a particular problem. So people are actually searching for this niche, which shows on the niche score. To further show that this niche is worth trying, I'll be checking one or two books published by individuals on the first page of Kindle store using their bestseller rank to show that people who are individuals who have created on these niches and on this book are recording sales. This is the first person independently published and the bestseller rank is 253 312 in books across all books on KDP. This is what is ranking and is below 300,000. It shows that this seller is recording sales every day. So it's making consistent profit. And when you check other categories where this book can be found, it is ranking 1,133 in nutrition, ranking 2,646 in exercise and fitness, it's ranking 4,186 in motivational self-help. So it is a good one for this seller. This is the second person. Best seller rank is ranking 106,751 in books across all books on Amazon KDP. It's ranking 4 in hypnosis for diet, ranking 166 in guided journals, 892 in other diet books. So this is a clear indication that these sellers are recording sales and that you too can actually try this niche and increase your sales on Amazon KDP. And judging by the total search result, it is a good indication that there is still opportunity here. Okay, you can actually create and publish on this. And when you check from this review here, you can see what this interior looks like. It's just a very simple book to create. All right. So this is the second one. The third book idea to try on Amazon KDP to increase your sales is daily logbook for caregivers. Now, this particular book is targeted to solving a particular problems like for caregivers they need logbook to keep track of their daily activities. So they need this particular book. They always demand for this particular book. And you know that caregivers are always working and they need a logbook to keep track of their daily activity for or whoever they are caring for, whether they are nannies or they are caregivers to seniors or whatever. They need logbook to work with. So that is why this logbook for caregivers, daily logbook for caregivers is in demand. And the good part is that the competition is low. Take a look at the total search result. Total search result is 230. It is a very big opportunity. It is very is much below 1,000. So and independently published is 14, which shows that many people have not yet created and published on this book. So for the niche for the keyword search is giving 54 by the niche score. Niche score, once a niche score is above 50, it is an indication that that niche is doing very well and that niche will do very well. You have a chance of your book being seen and being sold, because that's the most important thing about publishing a book. There is no point creating and publishing a book that no one is seeing, no one is buying. So from this niche call, you can tell that this niche is, can tell that the keywords are, people are searching for the keywords. So having determined the total search results to check the competition, the keyword search with the niche score, then to check demand to actually determine if people who have published on this book are actually recording sales. We'll be checking the bestseller rank to determine that, and to get a clear picture of the demand, you'll be checking dependently published. So I'll be checking one or two books published by individuals. This is one of the books independently published. The bestseller rank is 158,054 in books. Is ranking 17 in nursing long-term care, 52 in nursing patient relation, and 75 in nursing patient education. So these are the indication that these sellers are recording sales. So this is the three different book ideas you can try. All right, you can try them and create and write on them. They are both profitable, high in demand, and low in competition, and they target to solving a particular problems. So you can try them out to increase your monthly sales on Amazon KDP. If you're new to my channel and you are not yet a publisher on Amazon KDP and you want to make passive income online, you can try Amazon KDP. I've made videos on how you can create and verify your account no matter wherever you are in the world. I'll be attaching the link in this video. Check them out. I've also made a video on how you can start publishing your book as a beginner. You can check those videos out and watch them. You can leave a comment below to any area you want me to talk about in my next video so that I can consider it. Thank you for watching. That will be all for this video on KDP niche to try. I'll see you again in my next video.